Hey y'all, it's your girl Travel with Alay, and I'm back with another video. So I apologize in advance, but I'm shooting this video on the last day of my trip. So let me just get straight into the details, and then I can give you all the other stuff afterwards. Well, let me take you through the room first, of course. So the room that I have is the Premier King Suite. I'm staying at the Oaks Hotel overlooking the falls in Niagara Falls. So with this room, this is the living room, of course, regular standard living room. They have a little coffee maker and stuff like that. I apologize, this room is pretty dark. They don't really have too many lights in this particular room, but the lights should definitely get a little bit better as we take you throughout, or as I take you throughout. There's this large mirror, which I love. Oops, sorry, y'all. I absolutely love this mirror. And I got to rep my Toronto gear because I love Toronto. Here is the bathroom. So this bathroom also comes along with a jacuzzi, which is why this is so expensive, I guess. But like I said, I'll get to all those details afterwards. Sink, toilet, and all that good stuff. Jacuzzi. They do a cute little swan thing that they do that's really adorable. The shower, both things were actually miraculous, so I have no complaints about that. Comes with a robe. So let's take you further. Then we have the bed. The bed is a king size, pretty plush, pretty amazing. Can't lie to you on that one. TV. They have a little refrigerator. The refrigerator actually was pretty good. A little regular desk stuff, 2 chairs, regular stuff. And then, of course, the best view out of, my heart. Do y'all see that? So also, too, it was snowing in Niagara before I got here. And now it's snowing on the day that I'm leaving. I have no problem with any of this stuff. I love it. But just, oh, my God. Look at that view. My heart. All right, so let me get to some of the details with you guys. Okay. So, all right. This room. So first of all, the entire vacation I booked through Amtrak Vacations. When I booked this vacation, this is my solo trip. This is my first time. Woohoo! And I loved it. I'm going to be taking so many more. It's not even funny. But let me just say something. With Amtrak Vacations, they do a great job in getting you all the details and kind of getting you this really nice, pretty package. But I would just tell you to check with your hotel, check with things like that, because they do things on certain time frames that is not really good for me, especially for somebody that plans out itineraries and plans out trips. I hate if I need to know prices of details. I need to know little things. So when I'm saying this is to say, when I originally did the Amtrak Vacations package, I wouldn't have gotten this room. I would have gotten 2 queen beds, Riverview room. Now, that's okay for somebody that's traveling with somebody else, but I'm traveling by myself, so I don't see the purpose in having 2 beds in a room. Now, the other thing is with this particular hotel, they don't have the option of getting 1 bed and having a Riverview room. It's either you do this room or you do the 2 queen beds. So now, when I had spoken to Amtrak about that, Amtrak had told me that it would have been $1,100 extra for this room. When I contacted the hotel said, ma'am, if you want this room, when you get here, you just got to pay $30. So now you see what I mean, though, when I say, make sure you contact somebody, because if I would have paid, I would have never paid $1,100. But if I would have been ever so gullible to pay $1,100 for a room that I could have paid $30 for when I arrived, I would have been super pissed. This would have been a complete complaint video. So I'm not going to turn it into that. So, let's get to the other details. So in total, I took an Amtrak here. From New York. I got round trip tickets to Amtrak. So my Amtrak vacation setup or deal was round trip Amtrak, the original room, which was the, double beds Queens Riverview room, 2 days of breakfast, which this room also comes with breakfast as well, 2 excursions of my choice, I ended up choosing the Skylon Tower and another package, which was like multiple excursions in one. So I ended up doing the Butterfly Observatory. Um, they had the Floral Observatory, Journey Behind the Falls, which actually means I get to go underneath and behind the falls, and I get to see like everything. See, like I get to go through these little tunnel areas. Like it was like amazing. And it was another one called Niagara's Fury, which was like kind of like a cool simulation video, kind of like for kids, of like how Niagara Falls came to be. And with that, all of those things in total, it cost me $518. Now, $518 is really not bad for everything that I just stated, because I was here for 3 days. I didn't have to worry about transportation. Everything was in walking distance for me. Skylon Tower is literally a 5-minute walk away. I had dinner at the Skylon Tower. Like, it was amazing. I would highly recommend that. And I think interesting enough as well, see, that's another thing too, with the days of the excursions that was booked, it was not specified for one day. Like, I could have went on any day that I chose. So I think for all of this in total, I honestly think I got a really good price. Because technically it's not $518. I guess you could say technically it's $548, because I paid the $30 extra to get this room. But other than that, that's it. Like, everything was taken care of. I was good. I enjoyed myself. Like, this room was amazing. Like, I mean, everything down to it. But that would just be my word to the wise for you guys, is to make sure that if you book anything through Amtrak Vacations, maybe y'all call, maybe the excursions people. The first thing I would probably do is call the hotel and see if there's any additional like deals that you could get during your stay here, anything like that. Other than that, that's my video. Y'all already know the deal. If you want to leave a comment, please subscribe, like the video, let me know what you think, let me know if you have any questions. I will leave all these details in the description box. Please feel free also to, add me on Instagram, sunshine_in.la. There I can answer any questions as well for you, make any comments, whatever the case may be. But I'm hoping that all of you will decide to take one solo trip. And if you have taken a solo trip, please let me know where you've gone, because I definitely want to know more places, so that way I can plan more future trips out. So y'all have a great rest of your day. I'm going to actually go get my free breakfast before I have to leave out of here. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.